Unsure about which hair color is right for you? Connect with a licensed colorist at Sally Beauty for expert guidance. It's totally free. You can book a consultation through the website. You can choose video, audio, or chat. It's a great resource for finding the right products to color your hair at home. Just answer a few short questions about your hair health, texture, and history with coloring. It's that simple and easy. Covering my gray hair and roots is so easy now, especially finding the perfect color match to have a long-lasting coverage. Using professional hair color instead of box color for the best results. My hair feels so soft and shiny after. As you can see, I have some old highlights, and of course I do have some gray hair that I would love to touch up on my roots. I could never find the perfect color match as my natural hair color. Thankfully, the Colorist was a huge help, and now I do not have to make any mistakes and go through so many hair dyes. No more grays and no more old highlights. I am back to my original natural hair color. This is a free service available on sallybeauty.com. It's so easy and simple to use.